Hey there, this is Ian from Shimoda Designs. Today on the mailbag, I'm going to do a quick demonstration on how our phone charger cable routing works. You will need a phone, a battery bank, and of course a charging cable. It's fairly simple. On the side of your Explore 30, 40, and 60 packs, as well as the Action X, you will have a side pocket. The Action X pocket is a little bit different than this, but you can run the same system through it. You will open the side pocket of the Explore series. Take a battery bank, any size will do. Of course, plug the cable in and put the charger in the pocket upside down. Now that depends on the length of your cable, but in this case I'm going to put it upside down because the zipper closes downward, so you'll want the cable to come out at the bottom. Next, you are going to take the shoulder strap, and you'll notice there is two strap keepers here and here. You'll want to spread those apart. Thread your cable through the bottom, thread your cable through the top one, just like this. And then open your phone pocket, thread the cable through this little hole that's at the bottom of the phone pocket. So just run the cable through here. Take your mobile phone, and then put your mobile phone in. And that's that. Now you'll see that's quite a mess. So what you'll want to do is pull the cable tight. Have it so it's flush with the actual strap. Come back to the pocket and then just kind of tuck away the excess cord in here. Now it's ideal to leave a little bit of forgiveness with the cable. In the case that you pull your phone out, you have a little bit of play here, that it's not pulling tightly on it. One other thing, when you put your phone in your pocket, is to put the face of it towards the padding. That'll keep it a little more protected. But when you're actually wearing the bag and pull the phone out, you'll instantly see whatever comes up on your screen. It's a small feature, but it helps keep your phone powered for folks who are spending big days in the mountains. But also if you're running a gimbal, maybe a smaller Osmo or a drone, and using your phone to operate it, really helps keep the batteries full. So thank you for watching, and we will see you next time. Hey everyone, just a quick message. If you like the kind of content you're seeing on our channel, please feel free to subscribe. And if you can't find it on our channel, send me an email, ian@shimodadesigns.com, and I'll do my best to either answer your question via video, or I will answer just directly by email. We'll see you next time.